Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear kids. You also read Tasmiyah with me, and it's a pleasure for me to have you all in online classes of Punjab Public High School. I'm Miss Fiza from Playgroup, and I'm going to deliver here my fourth lecture of math. This lecture is about writing, so kids, let's move towards our writing notebook. So here I have our math notebook, and our today's lecture is about revision of numbers. First of all, I would request that parents must mention the day and date at top. Now kids, let's talk about the numbers. I have written here first 5 numbers which I use to practice in front all of you. In my previous lectures. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In first row you can see here the same dot patterns which I used to tell in my previous lectures, and here in second and third row I have skipped the dots. So my basic concern for this lecture is to go through you all the practiced writing patterns, and secondly, it's a trial for all of you that how can we write independently. So kids, let's start. I will write here these 5 numbers or digits by following the easiest dot patterns. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'm going to write and I'm going to show you all the starting points. Like here I have only 2 dots for 1, 3 dots for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots for 3, 3 dots for 4 and 3 dots for 5. So this will be tricky enough, but this is how you can learn to write independently, or basically this will be checked after your homework, that whether you can write independently and in how much improved form. So kids, do try these patterns for once at least, then this will make it clearer. And here in third row you can see single dots for each number, and this pattern will help you out in coming lectures and after completing all the numbers, that with much practice, that how can you write with the help of single dot by giving proper formation to every number. So kids, our today's homework is about revising these 5 numbers according to this pattern or this pattern, but give this try to your writing because this will improve your writing skill and hand skill. So you can also utilize the remaining page, but completing these 5 numbers at least 5 times is compulsory for all of you. So try to do your homework neatly and properly in these 3 rows. And the repetition of these numbers 3 times will help to improve your learning skills. And this is humble request of mine for your kids' homework, that do try these tips and keep these tips in your mind during today's homework. Now kids, I'm here with my today's worksheet, and here I have an option for all of you to refresh your mind by using colors. So first of all, don't forget to mention your name and section of class, date, and your group name. And after that, obviously the sheet number, that is 3. You have to take out sheet number 3 from your notes. And after that, I will read the statement that I can count, match, and color. That means that you can count these shapes and you can match these shapes with the figures here, with the numbers here. And after that, you can also color these numbers and these shapes as well. So first of all, kids, you have to read these numbers. This worksheet is also shows the revision of first 5 numbers, and after reading this, you have to count the shapes. Each block carries the shapes or shape, and after reading these numbers, you have to count these shapes, and then you have to join these shapes with these numbers, and after that you can add colors, your favorite colors, to these shapes and numbers. So in this way you can also improve your understanding for recognition and identification, which has always been the basic concern of mine for learning skills or learning process. So kids, this was all about my today's lecture, that you have to revise first 5 numbers by coloring, by writing, or by matching, or by reading them. So kids, do your homework properly and neatly, and try to do more neat colors to get better grades. And after completing your worksheet, do paste this on empty side. Now it's time to say goodbye. Take care. Thank you.